Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. I want to give a quick shout out to Naturally C, Natalie, and Lady M. Thank you guys so much for commenting on my videos, watching and subscribing and supporting me. I appreciate it so much, you guys. We're growing and I'm absolutely loving it. The locks is growing too, honey. Y'all see this bounce? Anywho, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, honey. Join the honey gang, and let's get straight into the video. So keep on dancing, baby. Hello you guys, and welcome back to the vlog. So in this video we're gonna be, I don't know, running around the town doing some stuff. Right now we're about to go eat at Cornish Smokehouse, barbecue, jerk, and beer. Hopefully y'all can see that. If you are not subscribed already, go ahead and join the honey gang. Go ahead and do that right now. Okay, click. Okay, remember we have lock videos on Wednesdays at 8 a.m. and vlogs on Saturdays at 8 a.m. So let's go. We hungry. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. I already know what I want, dear. You know what you want? Cindy, you know what you want? What you doing? Oh, I got my glasses on. Alright y'all, so I got the chopped brisket, the pulled pork, the green beans, fries, and the cornbread. I didn't have the mac and cheese and the greens. He got the ribs and chopped brisket, baked beans, and coleslaw. And then he also got the big loaded baked potato. So that'll be coming out soon. But yes, y'all, we about to eat good. And this is black owned. So if you are in the Oklahoma City area, come check them out. I love how they got the silverware. Or you don't want Tabasco? This is the loaded baked potato, y'all. That thing huge. I feel like I'm always doing that. Anywho, so babe is in there getting his edge up or line up, whatever y'all want to call it. So y'all seen we just ate real good, right? Well, now I'm about to burn that off because let me tell y'all what happened. So babe was supposed to be getting my car washed and detailed and all that good stuff, right? Then my ass go and decide to make a bet with him on the Tom Brady Buccaneers and Aaron Rodgers Packers game, and I bet it on Aaron Rodgers. Good old Brady always coming through. So now I have to wash and detail both cars. So y'all probably gonna see that in a minute. I wasn't going to do it today because it was supposed to rain today, but now it's all nice and sunny and 65 outside. So I was like, I might as well go and do it today. So tomorrow on Sunday I can just rest. Yes, y'all. I lost a bet. It's okay though. I am not a sore loser. I'm cool. So I'm gonna show y'all his edge up when he come out, and then I'm gonna have to go and get these cars done today and get this over with. Look at him. Look at him.
Oh.
Y'all, we're gonna do a lock count on his locks too, so y'all stay tuned for that. But look at him. Yes, honey. Alright, y'all. Now we're at Dollar General to give me some supplies so I can clean these vehicles. Oh my gosh. Babe, come on. He picking up all kinds of random shit. Done picked up candy. Babe, what are you doing? We came in here to get the stuff for the cars. You done picked up candy and whatnot. What did you do? You okay?
Don't fucking call me limping.
That's what you get for trying to pick up extra stuff. Alright, what we need to get? Like this Armor All car wash or high shine. Come on, dear, this way. Focus. Focus. What you want to get?
Talking about the wash and dry?
Yeah. You want to get this one or this one? So we got rags and tire shine and the Armor On stuff for the inside. And then should we get some Rain-X glass cleaner, or do we already have stuff like that? Huh?
I don't know. You're the one that's supposed to be getting this stuff. You lost.
Well, you the one supposed to be telling me what to get.
Critically.
That's what you're supposed to be.
Let's use our brains.
So we got that. Well, what do we already have?
Let's see.
No, at home.
Nothing. Which is why we were here.
Lordy. What all we got, dear? We got fresh ones for the car. We got your Rain-X stuff, the car wash soap, stuff for the tires. And we got other stuff at the house. So we should be good to go, y'all. Alright, y'all. So this is what the cars is looking like. Just butt dirty. I hope y'all can see it. Yes, look at that dirt. I've already kind of started. And then mine is right here. Looking all types of just dirty. I got the music playing. I got my supplies. The vacuum's right there. My bucket's right there. And I think I'm going to clean up the garage too because it just looks terrible in here. So yes, y'all, I'll probably pick up the camera in a little while when I'm like washing it and show y'all what it's looking like. Hey, all right, y'all. I just did the pre-rinse, so now I'm about to go in and wash this thing. I already cleaned the inside. I'm gonna see where I can set y'all up at.
No stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just wanna party, call me tequila shawty. We just wanna party, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that. Yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Hands to the sky if you feelin' a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Put your hands to the sky if you catchin' a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on.
All clean. Okay. All clean. Now it's time to do mine. I'm probably just gonna do the outside because of time and the sun is like going down. So yeah. You said what?
What all this? What is this? You see that? That's Water Streets.
Sorry, not a professional.
Oh, the inside is real clean.
And I put your smell goods in there.
Good job. Wrong one though, but good job.
What you mean? That's not yours?
Yeah. Did you? Where the second one at?
It's in there.
Good job. The inside is spectacular. You're gonna have to wipe it off again though.
No, I'm done. Time to do mine. Alright, y'all. And I went ahead and did the inside and outside of mine. I had to hurry up and do it fast, so I didn't record it because it was getting cold out here, y'all. And the sun, as you can see, is going down. So yes, y'all, I lived up to it. I lost the bet. I cleaned the cars inside and out. Okay, so I don't know if this is the end of the vlog or not. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Honey Gang, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.